Yesterday, we talked about USDT being dropped by the European Union. Now, the fun has begun. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Dimitri Jeremy. I'm in the Pipe 5x5, staying live here in Dubai. Man, oh man, it is always exciting times in crypto. Crypto is going to be taking over finance as we know it. Yet, there will be bumpy rides during this whole process because it's the wild, wild west of finance now. You have freedom to access things that did not belong to you. You could not invest in startup projects. You could not invest in risky assets, risky bets in the past. With crypto, you can. That's the benefit of it. Also, it's also a negative because, hey, when you do invest in risky projects, odds are they're going to go to zero. But anyways, with that said, we're going to be talking about USDT might be going to zero. And it could end up like this. Right here. Well, we're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode, right? And then doing some chart analysis, of course, at the end of the show, like we always do. And if you want to join, I'm doing this live. You can join me at DaVinciJ15.com and also get a free 1-month subscription by signing up to TOOBIT.DaVinciJ15.com. Link is in the description below. And yeah, you can sign up here and gain access for 1 month. Also, you know, WAFFLES coin still waffling, right? WAFFLES, what's wrong with you? Supposed to be going up only. No, it is healthy for a market to correct. You can't expect only upwards market. And if you do, well, that's why you lose. Right? So, all right. Brett is holding strong. I love Brett as well. Let's see. This looks like it's turning into a bullish flag. Let's see if it actually turns that way. It goes that way. We can see, let's see that's on the daily. Let's go on a 3-day. Yeah, it is definitely a bull flag here. So let's see if we can see it pump all the way up to, let's see here. We do an AB equals CD off of this bottom here. Yeah, 28 cents. Jesus, man, Brett's on a tear. Damn, G. Okay, MAGA fueled PR campaign against USD Tether raises eyebrows as to what's next. A splashy media linked Tether to crime and corruption is raising questions as to the motivations of the campaign's US right-wing backers. Yes, it is obviously a smear campaign for USDT, which, you know, I really have to be surprised how well they've done. I think there is a clear, you know, pay-to-play kind of deal going on with them. I don't know exactly what's going on behind the scenes, but I can't believe how well they've done being able to print US dollars, right, out of nothing. But hey, anyways, on June 18th, a press release hailed the launch of a multi-million-dollar campaign targeting Tether. Really? Okay. The company behind the USDT, the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization. The release called USDT a so-called stablecoin that is commonly used by the world's worst actors, attracting well-deserved scrutiny about its legitimacy. Really? Really? So are you saying that the terrorists and drug traffickers and traffic human beings are using this for illicit means, like a car, like a pen, like a truck? We should definitely ban those things too. You know, they should be, I think every single car company, every single pen company should be responsible for any crime committed when using their products. Yeah, see how stupid that is? So any talk about USD Tether being used for crime is just a smokescreen. Right? This is not a suspicious business practice, right? Anyone can use Tether, so that means even criminals can use Tether. That means Should they be responsible for that? And if that's true, then why are we using US dollars? Because that's where most of the crime is being done, on actual dollars, right? Every single day. Okay. Right? Corruption and money laundering, protest campaign launched in the US. This is all over the news, right? What makes decentralized exchange the future of crypto trading, right? Is the next article we have here. The rise of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, is well documented, with literally hundreds of these platforms cropping up to handle billions in crypto transactions on a daily basis. There are a few factors that at play in determining their PO. So here is a look at a few of the main selling points they offer in comparison to centralized equivalents. Okay, well, one is that you control your own private keys. Yes, that's true. That means you control your own money, your own destiny. End-to-end encryption, of course. You can create automated trade executions, just like the professionals. You can actually execute trades just as well as anyone in the professional arena. You just have to have some skill at programming and developing the application and using the application, but it's open to everyone. Try to do that with Wall Street. You know what they'll say? Who are you? Immutable records, meaning that no one can change it. Everything is all the transactions are cleared. No one can oh, you know what? I'm going to pay somebody to change that record. No, that can happen in the New York Stock Exchange, but not here. Community oversight, right? Many DEXs operate with decentralized governance models, meaning that, there's no one person can make any kind of key decision. So that's always a good thing. Audits and bug bounties, right? DeFi insurance solutions, right? Yeah, there's even insurance, right? Because you know what? Insurance is actually just a mathematical calculation. So, right? We're going to see insurance coming here into the DeFi space, and it's going to be wild, right? I mean, you'll be able to have decentralized insurance. No KYC requirements, meaning that you don't have to, they don't go, who are you? and ask stupid questions like, where'd you get the money? And like I got it from legitimate means, get lost, right? And all that kind of crap, right? So peer-to-peer transactions, pseudonymity, and zero knowledge proofs is also available. Minimum data storage and onion routing, so you can hide where you're coming from. There's lots of different appeals as well. Okay, with that said, let's move on to TA for today. Still, things are looking gloomy as normal here. This is just a slow grind, painful grind, all the way down to the 61K. Ethereum, again, it looks like the same thing. Basically, we tried to jump up above this and we didn't break above the yellow line. So you could say, yeah, definitely this is a breakdown. Yesterday, I was thinking about taking a short here, but I just didn't get the chance to, unfortunately. And then, yeah, it looks like Ethereum is heading down to this $3,200 level, just at a very painfully slow pace. So that's where we are with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's the weekend. I'm gonna probably do a show on the weekend. Not sure. Let's just see. Right? It's gonna be a live show. So yeah, look out for that. Cheers.